How to go live on Twitch from your phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to go live on Twitch from your phone. First thing, go to Twitch. This is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go to the top corner right here and click on your profile. Now you need to go here and click go live. As you can see, now you can choose which the type of your streaming. Choose stream games if you are gonna play and stream from your mobile device, and click stream ARL if you want to broadcast your live wherever you are. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.